Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Today we see Mathematics Class 10 AP or Telangana State. Chapter number 1, that is real numbers. In this, the first concept is finding HCF of given two positive integers. So actually for finding the HCF we use Euclid's division algorithm. Right? While using division algorithm, we need to use Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. First, I would like to tell you what is Euclid's division lemma. For given positive integers, A and B, there exists a unique positive, a unique pair of integers Q and R such that are satisfying such that A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R, strictly less than B. Actually here this is the statement given in the textbook, children. If I explain this as it is, you may be confused. Actually some of the children, they ask me that, sir, it is very difficult to understand, sir. So please make it connect with any example. So here I have selected an example with which it can be understood very easily. Before starting the example, I would like to ask you a small question. There is a movie, children. Recently the movie has been taken, recently in the sense last 2 to 3 years or 4 years it may be. It is divided into two parts. Okay, first part has come in the name of beginning. Second part has come as conclusion. Hope everybody might have understood. Okay, it is one of the blockbusters movie in South India. Right, it is Bahubali beginning and Bahubali conclusion. So let us link this concept with that movie. Hope everybody might have seen the movie and you are well aware of those characters. Right? Now let us see here. First, in that movie, hero Prabhas, he had done dual roles. The name of the first role, that is elder role, was Amarendra Bahubali. Let us take Amarendra Bahubali as A. Right? He was betrayed by Ballali Deva. B for Ballali Deva. Okay, he was betrayed by Ballali Deva along with by taking help of Kattappa. Here I am taking Q as Kattappa. Right. Once again I repeat. Here Amarendra Bahubali was betrayed by Ballali Deva along with Kattappa. Under the misguidance of, you can easily guess, R for Rajamata. So here you just understand, children. Here A is nothing but here A and B. In that movie they were brothers. Right. Here these two are given positive integers. Right. There exists unique pair of Q and R. Here also unique pair of Kattappa and Rajamata. They did not reveal the truth to anybody else. What is the truth behind the scene or behind the screen? They did not reveal. So unique pair. Clear? Here such that A is equal to BQ plus R. That means here Amarendra Bahubali story has been ended up with these characters. Whereas here you see, children, what about Rajamata's position? In the movie you might have seen that finally she got realized the truth that she had committed a mistake. Then what did she do immediately? So she saved the son of Amarendra Bahubali, named Mahendra Bahubali, right? So Mahendra Bahubali, he finishes the remaining story in the second part, that we call it as beginning or conclusion. Those two parts are given. Now here you just understand, children, the son of Amarendra Bahubali was saved by Rajamata. Means here you see again the major role has taken by Rajamata only for prolonging the story. Here also remember, children, let us apply this concept to the present concept now. Euclid's division lemma depends on Euclid division algorithm depends on Euclid division lemma. The Euclid division lemma has certain steps, children. The things are that here when you divide A with B, if you get the, you will get definitely a quotient. If the remainder is 0, then here B is called HCF of A and B. I repeat, here if R is equal to 0, then what happens? B is equal to HCF of A comma B. That means here the value of Rajamata becomes 0. Then finally Ballali Deva would have become the hero. But the thing is that she got realized the truth. Then immediately she saved the son of Amarendra Bahubali called Mahendra Bahubali. Again finally what happens? By taking her help, one more candidate, he came and he finished the movie. That is what, suppose if we take his name as Mahendra Bahubali, here I am taking AB, for example I am taking a C, then definitely if C, because of the C, again C will fight with B, right? In that case if the remainder becomes 0, the movie ended up. By the time HCF will become C. Is it clear, children? Now the same problem, same concept, same story I will explain you by taking one problem from our textbook, right? Okay, fine. Now let us see exercise 1.1. In that first question, see children, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of two numbers are given, children. First bit 900 and 270. First of all, you need to select which is a bigger number. Clearly 900 is bigger, 270 is smaller. So we can take 900 as A. So here I take 900 as A. We can also call it as dividend. Now see, now here 270 comes. Clear? Now here let us divide now. 27 3s are 81. So 273s are 810. So when you subtract, here you will get 90. Here you see, is it 0? Definitely not. So here again this one, this 90 will divide 270. So here 270 comes here. Now you see 93s are 270. When you subtract, now here you see, is the remainder 0? Absolutely yes. Now here you understand, children, as I have told you the story earlier. But please do remember, children, listen the story as the story only. Okay, don't try to apply as it is in the examination. But in the examination you need to get the marks, so that you need to understand the concept also. So let us see here. Now here 900 I am taking as A. A means Amarendra Bahubali. Now here B means here 270 is Ballala Deva. Ballala Deva wants to become hero, but here the remainder is not 0. That means here what happens? In the place of remainder, I told you Rajamata is still alive, means still she extended her help. So because of her help, by taking her help, the second Bahubali came. He is Mahendra Bahubali, right? Now he started fighting with again Ballala Deva, right? So here you see, here the remainder is here, the quotient is there, Kattappa. In the second part also Kattappa is there, children. But you don't think that here is 3, here is 3, it may be different. Because here in this, okay, in this part Kattappa might be younger, here he might be older. right? That you keep in mind. So here you don't expect that both the times 3 will come, but cut off a character is there. So quotient is there. Now here along with the cut off a help only, here he made the story to be ended up. So here you can ask me that, sir, only will there be only 2 steps, means 2 parts, like really like Bahubali beginning and Bahubali conclusion? It is not the case, children. It depends on the numbers which are given. Okay, it depends on the intensity of the number. Sometimes one more step might have come. That means here second character Mahendra Bahubali also would not have completed the story. Then you just assume his son may come. Okay, we may call it as for example, son of Mahendra Bahubali as some Dharmendra Bahubali. You just imagine. So he may come, he may try to finish the story ended up, but it may or may not be. So his son may come. Let us say Jitendra Bahubali. So here you forget about the Bahubali children, but here you see this number, it continues till the remainder gets 0. When the remainder gets 0, then who made the remainder 0? He will be the hero, none other than HCF is 90. But the thing is that here we need to write the steps. Division algorithm means it needs perfect steps, structure of proper steps. So let us write here, children. First of all, you see, for this exactly opposite I am writing, 900 can be written as, see, 270 into 3, 270 into 3 plus 90. Clear? Right? Here you observe. Is it become 0? No. So still problem is there. Now here let us see opposite to that you write this step. Here you see 270 becomes here dividend. 270 is equal to 90 into 3, 90 into 3 plus here 0. Clear? Here remainder is it 0? Absolutely 0. Now here what is the HCF then? HCF of 900 and 270, who made 0 here? 90 made 0. Because of the 90, 0 comes. So here we can write the answer like this, but here one more thing important, children. You need to write the statement of Euclid division algorithm. Once again I repeat for you, the statement is that for given positive integers A and B, right, there exists a unique pair of Q and R satisfying or such that A can be written as BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R, that is strictly less than B. Right? You can ask me, what happens, sir? How do we know that 0 is less than or equal to R and R is strictly less than B? Now first, to make you to clear, I will take one more example, children, to explain you clearly how R will be greater than or equal to 0 and that is strictly less than B. Okay, children, now let us see what I have told you earlier. If A is equal to BQ plus R, right, then here the condition is that 0 is less than or equal to or less than B. How do we know? How do we believe this statement? Let us see here, children. For example, I have 3 students. He is student number 1, number 2 and number 3. For example, I have given a small task for them. The task is that I asked them to divide 20 with 4. Right? So here for him also same, 20 with or by 4, whatever it is. So here I gave the same task for the 3 children. Now here he has done in a method that he took off here 4 6 are 24, and subtracting here he got -4. Let us come to student number 2. Here he had done 4 4s are 16, When we subtract, he said, sir, I got 4. Third one, 4 5s are 20. So, sir, here I got 0. The question is in front of you, children. The solutions done by three different children, 3 different students. They are also in front of you. Can you tell me which case is correct? If we go here, is it correct, children? No. Why is it not correct? Because here you see the integer, the remainder should not be negative. Clear? So here it says that r cannot be less than 0. That means here clearly r is greater than 0. You remember this one, children, right? Here you see, suppose if he says 4 4s are 16, I got 4, sir. Do you accept it? You will say that again 4 is there. Why can't you take one more time? So why can't you take it 4 times? Clear? That means here this is B, this is R. Here for understand writing, children, this is B, this is A, this is R. Here B, A, and this is R. Of course this is Q, this is Q, and here also Q. This is A, this is B, this is R. Now here you will say that here 4 comes, why can't you take one more time? One more time means, don't misunderstand me that here if he writes again 4 1s are 4, again it is 0, so 4 40 1s are 20, not like that. That is also absolutely wrong. Here why can't you take 4 5s are? Because one more 4 is there. That means your intention is that these two should not be equal, meaning is that R should be strictly less than B. Clear? So here you learn the truth that R is strictly less than B. Final? This we accept, we say that it is correct. That means we accept here R is equal to 0, right? These 3 are the truths on the children. Of course these may be wrong, but from the mistake what we have learnt, we learnt that R should be positive. So this is what, this is true, this is wrong, children. Actually being human, for humans you see, commit mistakes are common for human. But the thing is, at the same time, correcting the mistakes is also very important. Here you see, he committed mistake. It's nothing wrong. But here he should know the truth. This is the truth that R should be greater than 0. Here R should be less than B. R should be is equal to 0. Now what happens? Let us conclude all the 3 statements together. Then what happens here? When you write this one as R should be greater than or equal to 0. R is greater than or equal to 0. So here R is greater than or equal to 0, and strictly R is less than B, right? Again you just tilt this, children. So this will be, you see here I am writing 0 is less than or equal to R, whereas this I am writing as it is R is less than B. Now again you do remix now. So it will become 0 less than or equal to R, strictly less than B, right? Isn't it, children? 0 less than or equal to R less than B. So here Euclid division algorithm says that for 2 positive integers A and B, there exists a unique pair Q and R such that A can be written as in the form of BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Is it clear? Okay, let us see next bit, that is second bit. The HCF of 196 and 38,220. So here first let us select which is bigger. So clearly 38,220 is bigger, so name it as A, that is dividend. 196 is smaller, so name it as B, that is divisor. Now let us do division first. Here 38220 we divide with 196, right? So here let us take up to 382, 196 ones are 196. Let us do here subtraction. This is 12 minus 6 means 6. Here 17 means 8, it is 1. So here 2 is to be dropped. So it is 1862. So here let us take 9 times of this. 9 6 are 5445. 9 9s are 81 means 86, 8. 9 1s are 9 plus 8, 17. On subtraction, it is 12 minus 4, 8. It is 5 children. So here 17, so it is 9, 8. Let us drop this 0, it is 980. Clearly 196 5s are 980. So here remainder becomes 0. That means 196, it divides 38,220 completely. Clear? So here remainder became 0. So here there is no another part. Only with one part only, in single shot it is done. So let us apply here Euclid's division algorithm. Here we can write A is equal to B Q plus R. Right? So A means, I am writing here formula children, A is equal to BQ plus R. So here A means 38,220 is equal to B times Q means 196 times 195 plus remainder is here 0. Since the remainder is 0, since the remainder R is equal to 0, we can close the problem. That means here HCF of the given numbers, right children, 196 and 38,220 is here. When R is equal to 0, the HCF will be B. In other words, you can say who made 0, he will be the hero. Who made 0? 196 made 0. So he is the hero here. So the HCF of given numbers is 196. Here you just write one more line children here. By Euclid's division algorithm. If at all you want, you can write a statement also. If not, you can leave the problem like this, no problem. Let us see next bit, that is third bit. HCF of 1651 and 2032. So here let us see here, this is the bigger number 2032 than 1651. This is smaller one. So let us start the problem. So consider 2032 as dividend and 1651 as divisor. Clearly you see this is 1600, this is 2000. So clearly it goes one time. So it is 1 into 1651 is 1651. Let us do subtraction. So here 2 minus 1 is 1, this is 13 means 8, this is 3. So here you see children, is the remainder 0? No. So let us write the Euclid division algorithm first. Still the problem is there children, still it is there to be done. So here till here we write by Euclid division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. So in this step you see A means middle one. Here I am writing children, this is A, this is B, this is Q, this is R, right? So here 2032 can be written as 1651 into 1, 1651 into 1 plus remainder is 381, right? Here remainder, that is 381, is non-zero, means still the problem is there. Clear? Again we have to do the remaining problem. Here you see children, as I have told you earlier my story, this is Amarendra Bahubali, he is Ballar Deva. Now the person who is saved by Rajamata called Mahendra Bahubali, he will attack on Ballar Deva. So here 1651 comes for the battle, right? So here 381, let us take 4 times, it is 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 3s are 12, this is 15. So let us do subtraction. This is here 11 means 7, this is 4 means 2, this is 1. Is it clear children? 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 2, 3, 4 3 are 12 plus, okay, right? So here now this remainder is non-zero, this remainder is non-zero. So here we need to write again Euclid division algorithm. Here I am writing algorithm children, don't be confused. So here again 1651 is equal to 381 times 4, 381 times 4 plus 127 is the remainder. In this case also, here or that is 127, this is also not equal to 0. Clear? Now what happens here? This third person, see, when we come this situation to this situation, here the divisor became dividend, remainder became divisor. Same way here remainder became divisor, and here the thing, what is there here? Earlier it was divisor, now it will become dividend. So 381, right? Now third person, we can name him as either Jitendra Bahubali or Dharmendra Bahubali, whatever it is. Now third person comes. Let us see whether he will finish the story or not. So here 127 threes are clearly 381. Very good. Remainder become 0. Right? So here let us write algorithm for this step now. Here it will become 381 can be written as 127 times 3 plus here 0. Clear? You can write here r is equal to 0. Remainder becomes 0. So we can stop solving the problem. If not, nothing is there to do more. See here children, who is the best finisher? You see, you might have seen in cricket also, best finisher, we give importance. See, starting overs we see light, we watch cricket light, but when we reach to the ending of the game, definitely we keep focus on finisher of the match. You know, in our India, best finisher is none other than Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So here same way 127 has become best finisher. That is the reason children, 127 is the hero because he made the problem 0. So here HCF is HCF of 1651 and 2032 is none other than 127. This is the final answer for this bit children.